Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to my channel. So before I get into today's video, guys, I do want to say briefly, well, if you didn't see my last video, I did say a little bit before I started that video that someone had made a fake page of me with adult content, a fake website, all of that, and it was just really disturbing for me. So the page has been taken down, the website has been taken down, so I'm so happy. Like, you don't know how much that had upset me. So everyone that was on my side and really went out their way to report that page, I really appreciate you, because like I said, I was so upset about that, because that's my character, that's my name. I'm building something here, and I do not want anyone to think that I do that. And not to discredit anyone that does do that, it's just I don't do that. I don't do that. And I have a daughter that looks up to me, so I wouldn't even want her to think that I do something like that. So thank you again, guys, for looking out for me. Like, I love y'all so much. Okay, guys, so let's jump into today's video. Today's video, I am going to be doing a hair mask from Cardi B. Of course, it's not her hair mask, but she has made that mask very popular. So it has avocado in there, egg in there, mayonnaise in there. And crazy thing is, I have tried all of those before, but separately. So today I am going to be trying all of that in one. So I think she tried avocado, honey, eggs, mayonnaise, oils, and all of those are very hydrating for your hair. And I'm an advocate for DIY products. Like, since I've been natural and starting natural, I used to do egg masks, like I said, avocado masks, and all of that is on my channel when I first started. And that actually grew my hair a lot, just doing home remedies instead of buying all these expensive products. Natural products work best for your hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Only thing is, I'm a little skeptical because avocado and me don't really get along. Like I said, I did an avocado mask before and my hair was like, no, sis. But since I'm putting egg and mayonnaise in there, I think it might work. I don't know, but I love trying new things and I love sharing it with you guys. So I'm going to take you on this journey with me. So stay tuned. So of course, you're going to need your avocados, your eggs, and your mayonnaise, and whatever oil of your choice. And I'll probably put a little bit of honey in this as well. So let's get to blending, guys. Okay guys, so once you're done blending everything, it will look like this. The consistency of it, it'll be like pretty thick, somewhat loose, but it should have that color. But it should be smoothly blended all together. No clumps or anything, just like that. Okay guys, so as you've seen in the last clips, I went ahead and blended all of those ingredients together. I call it ingredients because it's food. So this is how the consistency is supposed to look, and it's like, you know, like that. Okay, so I went ahead and washed my hair already, and it is looking beautiful. Look at them curls. I'm just kidding, whatever. So after I wash my hair, I always do a mask. So of course, this is going to be my mask for hydration, of course. So I trust you, Cardi B. If my hair fall out, I'm coming for you. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I've used these products before. Well, these different masks before in different settings. Whatever. So let's get started. So my hair is a little dry. So what I'm going to do is just kind of wet it a little bit so that the mask can penetrate through my hair a little bit. So let's get started. So don't judge me, guys. I am putting gloves on because I have nails, and sometimes stuff like that gets under the nails and I don't have time. So yeah, I know people probably like, oh my God, those are latex gloves. Oh my God, but it's okay. You know, people use gloves to do people's hair all the time. So, all right. Working in sections. So I'm going to spray a little bit of water so that it's easier for the mask to apply my hair. And sometimes when it's dry, you tend to overuse something. So yes. So since I've been natural, guys, well, when I really started my natural hair journey, I used to do an egg mask on my hair like every other week. And I used to put like mayonnaise and oil in there. And I just felt like the mayonnaise made my hair super soft. And the eggs just did something to my hair, made my curls pop. But there's a lot of talk in the natural hair world that the eggs doesn't penetrate. Well, the eggs are too large to penetrate through our scalp, through our hair roots, so it doesn't really do anything. But I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I thought it was doing something. Or maybe it was just in my head. But when I stopped doing that, like I said, when I was just starting out, of course, I didn't really know too much about certain things and how it works and what does not work. But when I stopped using it, I seen a little difference, and I feel like I should go back to it because I feel like it actually was doing something to my hair. Maybe it was in my head, but I actually liked it. I saw a difference in my hair. And like I said, when I started using it, I started going natural. Like, I saw a difference. So I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But I think I'm going to stick to it. Whatever works for your hair, right? So there's still some mask left over, and especially since this is supposed to be hydrating for my hair, I do like to just go in and just make sure it gets onto my roots of my hair because that's where I mostly experience a lot of dryness. So make sure that it really got into my scalp. So I'm just go in, take the remainder of that mask because we don't leave nothing, okay? You don't leave nada. Okay. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I have finished applying all of that hair mask in my head. So this is how my curls look so far, and I'm loving it. A lot of people who have used this hair mask said that their hair feels super soft. I mean, when I have done the egg mask and the avocado mask, my hair does feel super soft. So combined, I'm pretty sure it is doing wonders, especially with mayonnaise. Mayonnaise makes your hair feel super soft. Mayonnaise loves natural hair growth. So I am going to let this sit in my hair for probably like 20 to 30 minutes, no longer than that, especially since I have egg in my head and it's not cold. Okay, this is my hair with everything applied in my hair. So let's get started to washing. Okay guys, so I just finished washing everything out of my hair, and okay, my hair does feel hydrated or whatever, but I don't know. I think because of the honey, and I know for a fact I don't think avocado works with my hair, so my hair feels, I don't know, because when I do the egg mask, my hair doesn't feel this way. And I know when I did the avocado, my hair just kind of didn't like it too much. So my hair feels like, I don't know how to even, I don't know. It like, okay, up here it feels soft, but then like on the ends of my hair going down, like it feels like something is still in my hair, like it's not really fully washed out or something like that. So, but I mean, my curls are, you know, popping or whatever. But it just feels kind of like sticky, like there's something still in my hair. And yes, like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay, so maybe if I do this, I have to wash my hair first. I mean, do the mask first, then wash my hair. I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to kind of re-wash my hair. Okay guys, so I just finished washing all of that hair mask out of my hair, and as you seen in that last clip, I was kind of saying that the mask was still in my hair, and then it made my hair feel a little sticky, like something was still in my hair, even though the mask, you cannot see any more of the mask, but just little specks. So I went ahead and just added my conditioner to my hair just to kind of like soften it up a little bit after I rinsed out the mask, and also to take out some of those little specks. So this is my hair after everything. So this is my hair. And see, like little specks were still kind of left over from the mask. But I will say that my hair feels super hydrated, and also my hair still feels soft because I did go ahead and put the conditioner in. So shout out to Cardi B for the little half mask tutorial, even though it's not really her mask. A lot of people do use that mask, but she made it popular. But it's not for me, sis. Okay. Not for me, but it's okay. You know, my hair does feel super hydrated, but I'm just gonna stick to what I know and what I use. So I think avocado is just not for your girl. But like I said, my hair feels super soft. It feels hydrated. It feels bouncy. I have no products in my hair right now, so I do love that. Okay, well, trial and error, guys. Like I said, every time I try something, I always show it with you guys. So that's the end of this video. If you did like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more videos. See you guys.